Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2 of part 1 in trigonometry. This is question 2.1. The graphs of the functions f of x is equal to a cos b theta and g of x is equal to c tan theta for the domain. It means from negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. As sketched below, the graphs intersect at P and Q. Write down the range of f. Write down the range of f. This is f of x. This graph here is the f of x. So the range involves the y values. The range involves the y values. So what are the y values of this function? The maximum value is 3. The minimum value is negative 3. So the range is from negative 3 up to 3. From negative 3 up to 3. That's the range there. Negative 3 and 3 included. So saying the range y greater than or equal to negative 3, but y less than 3. That's the range. Or you can use the interval notation and say y is an element of negative 3 included to 3 included. So you can write it like this or like this. Okay, so that's your answer there.